Here's a statistic that should worry every executive watching this. 374 S&P 500 companies mentioned AI in their earnings calls last year. 90% praised it in glowing terms. But when pressed to explain the upside, most fell back on vague promises of productivity gains that haven't materialized. Why? I'm Aparna Kumar, and after 3 decades leading digital transformations across multinational banks, PSU, institutions, and now advising over multiple organizations across industries, I can tell you the problem isn't the technology. In my latest article, Why 90% of AI Investments Fail, I reveal the 10 critical leadership skills that separates AI winners from losers. Skills that aren't being taught, maybe in any MBA program or executive seminar or any other. Skills I have had to learn through hard won experience, leading 15,000 employees through transformation, watching $1 million investments gather dust, and discovering what actually works. Here's what I have learned. First, AI fluency doesn't come from reading analyst reports. It comes from building diverse networks across industries. Conversations with startups, regulators, technologies, that's where breakthrough insights happen. Second, you can't bolt AI into legacy workflows and expect magic. Real value comes from redesigning your entire organization. Processes, incentives, structures. When we redesign a complete patient journey instead of just automating scheduling, we saw 40% improvement. Third, and this is the one most leaders miss, you must lead by authentic example. Research shows senior leaders talk about AI more than they actually use it. I use AI daily for strategic planning, data analysis, learning emerging tech, because your teams watch what you do, not what you say. Article unpacks all 10 skills with fundamental transformation stories from banking, healthcare, agriculture, automotive, and telecom. So, what can you do right now? 3 things. First, honestly assess yourself, means organization as well, across these 10 skills. Which 2 or 3 need urgent development? Don't sugarcoat it. Don't sugarcoat it. Your competition isn't. 2, this week, not next week, not next month. Build one meaningful connection outside your industry. Attend a conference in a different sector. Have coffee with someone deploying AI differently from. Cross pollination generates the insights homogeneous groups never find. Third, launch one AI experiment that genuinely scares you. Something high stakes where AI augments critical decisions. Create a safe environment to fail, learn, and iterate. Then share the results absolutely transparently. Success or failure. Success or failure. These aren't theoretical exercises. This is how transformation actually happens. And there's some hard truth. Your competition isn't building better AI. They are building better AI leaders. AI won't deliver value because you bought the tools. It delivers when you transform how you lead. Question isn't whether to develop these skills, or it's how fast you can build them before someone else does. It's a great situation to be in. I put everything, the frameworks, the real case studies, the mistakes I've made, the transformations that worked. In this article, please read it, debate it, challenge it. Then tell me which of these 10 skills challenges you the most. What's your biggest barrier to AI leadership? So let's build a community of leaders who don't just talk about AI transformation. Together, we actually deliver it. The link is in the description of my article. Let's connect.